Are you still alive? Yeah, you're still alive.
I hope.
I'm dreaming.
No, you're not dreaming.
Look what I've got for you. Yeah. Lottery.
What's this?
Those are tokens
What?
to get treasures.
Oh.
You can shop out in the lobby here in a few minutes. That'll be fun. Hopefully there's something cool
Well,
in there.
McDonald's style.
McDonald's style? Is that
No,
what-
Gangnam Style.
Oh, Gangnam Style. I should have known that.
A little fashion tab. That's nothing but fashion.
I said to him I was going to watch him on TV because I know he'll be on it one day. And he said, yep, I'll be on Channel Awesome. I want that channel. Exactly.
I don't know.
Watch out.
Careful.
Watch out, because I don't want you to fall over. Let's bring up that chair. Not yet. I want you to breathe some oxygen.
Sit down. Sit back down.
Clear out that fun stuff. As much as we hate for it to happen, truthfully.
Is that fun? Excuse you. Say excuse me.
That's that funny gas, huh?
Help!
I get the feeling he's alone like this no matter. I bet he's fun at school.
Are you fun at school, Michael?
My teacher wants me back.
She wants you back.
Oh, well that says a lot. Exactly. Well, today's his last day of school. Oh, awesome.
Yeah, he's going to be in 5th grade next year.
Big guy, 5th grade. You're almost there to junior high, huh?
Yep.
Oh, they just grow too fast.
I know. How's your mouth? How are you feeling?
My brow?
Your mouth.
What's that?
You don't know what your mouth is?
Uh-uh.
I think you do.
Uh-uh.
Uh-huh.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
You have to wait 30 minutes. And you have a...
It's just 20 minutes.
No, it hadn't been 30 minutes.
Or he's done.
He's done.
He's done.
Yeah.
Can I get you a meal?
Yeah, let me get you one, hon. That's a little tiny one.
Huh?
See your silver tooth? Isn't that pretty? You finally got a silver tooth.
So you're going to have an awesome summer, aren't you? When is your guys' pool open?
I'm not sure. Hopefully soon.
Is that here in Newton? You guys live here in
Yeah.
Newton? Yeah. I know usually they're open around Memorial Weekend. I know Halstead said they're opening, I think, next week.
Yeah.
My girls are so excited about the pool.
Yeah, me too. We live at the pool during the
I
summer.
love the Newton one, too. We always come over here to this one. It's so big compared to Halstead and everywhere.
Put that back on your nose. Gotta breathe that stuff
I did.
to make you unloopy.
Kind of clear your head out.
So you won't be flying anymore.
Dang it.
You want to fly.
I get up now.
Not yet.
I do get up though.
You want to do Gangnam Style?
How are you feeling? Uh-oh, here it comes, Stace. Here comes the show.
it's off.
Yes, we're going to take that off. I think you can.
Yeah.
Whoa. Here we go, Stace. Here's
Can you do Gangnam Style? Can you do it?
Go ahead. Show me how you do it. Let's see it. Oh, he does. You are so